Hello everybody, how are you? You've caught me at a very busy time. I'm going to take these off because I didn't know you were then going to press play.
What pictures are you looking
at? Let me take them off. Pictures?
Yeah.
Cars, I was just going through. I was helping you out with some schedules.
Here,
Welcome to this new video, guys. Like I said, it's very, very busy here at the minute, but we're just going to quickly do this intro for this cool little video we've got. As you can see, there's paper everywhere. Should we have a count up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23. There's 23 people waiting to get back to me today. That's without going on the old World Wide Web of our social media pages, where I'm sure Jake's left a load pending in there as well, which I'll help them out with. Anyway, let's get into the video. Today, guys, we're going to be doing a walk around in the workshop. Main objective of this video, just annoy everyone really. Go in the workshop, wind all the boys up, and obviously show you guys what we've got on site. So, enough rambling here, let's get into the workshop, Jake. Hello guys, Sam from the Bodycentre here. As you may have seen on our Instagram reel, it wasn't a reel at all, it was a story, wasn't it, Jake?
Yes.
It was a story. We done a little walk around video, it wasn't very long. People loved it, got a good bit of feedback, so we're going to do it again. We're going to have a walk around the workshop, go see the boys, see what we've got on site. Just pretty much annoy everyone really. What should we start with, Jake?
Who are we going to annoy first?
No, let's show the cars first.
Alright.
Let's show the cars, then we'll go. Then we'll...
That Defender started again.
Should we start with that Defender?
We talk about what happened.
Just show the guys that this thing over here, this thing over here, that silver Defender. So we have an overflow yard just over there where we keep all our skips, etc. We've got a cardboard skip in there and the metal skip. And the massive lorry come yesterday to change over our cardboard skip. It's huge, by the way. He was not happy at all. He obviously unloaded, he's actually marked all the road up there, look, Jake. It's all marked. He put his skip there, obviously emptied his lorry, ready to come pick up our full one to switch it over. That Defender was the flattest thing you've ever seen. Nothing in it. We jumped it with the jump packs, wiped all the jump packs. Couldn't get a charger lead out there to reach it. Obviously we needed to do it quite quick. Tow rope, snapped the tow rope because the wheels up into the archer and that one's been hit quite hard. It was just chaos. We got skids under it to push it out on the skids, snapped the skids. Couldn't have gone any worse. So yeah, that annoyed me hard yesterday. Let's go over to here. We've got Lewis up there, look, he's on the phone.
What's he up to?
Probably talking to Mum. Talking about how many cars we've got here, and it's a bit stressful at the minute. Hello, Lewis. There he is. So we got here the brand new Range Rover Vogue. It is obviously from the main dealer. We are the Jaguar and Land Rover authorised repairer for the whole of East of England. And I believe it was April time, we won the Jaguar and Land Rover authorised body shop of the year. That means we are the best. We've then got the Bentley Bentayga. Where are you going with that camera? It's pointing over there. You on me now? Do you know what you're doing with that?
You know, I'm looking at a screen, I probably know better than you.
Okay, I know you're
auto-tracking you as well.
Bit of new tech, so do you know what you're doing?
Do you?
I know what I'm doing. It looks like, look, you're over there again.
Tracking you.
Cool, yeah. Don't get too close because we need to do this as a reel. Bentley Bentayga had a wheel refurb. Porsche GT3 from the dealer. Had a load of paintwork going back into the showroom. Mazda, we all know that colour. Horrific. Looks good now though. Should we say whose car that is?
I don't even know whose car that is.
No? We'll leave it as there.
Who is it then?
You want me to say? You can edit it out, can you?
No.
Okay,
no.
We'll leave that there.
I don't know what's going on.
What else we got? Flip the camera around. We've got the classics up here. This is the classic corner, all sheeted up, looks an absolute mess.
What we got?
We've got the Escort RS2000 and the Subaru shell. We've then got the M3 next to that. Had some bad paintwork somewhere else, obviously come to the best to rework it. This is Winky's van. Winky has 7,000. Mum's pulled up.
Have you seen the colour match on that?
Mum's pulled up. Yeah, we've got to paint loads more on it now.
The bumper,
yeah.
The wing.
So that van, absolute nightmare, worst colour in the world. 4 Series, front bumper repair. We've got the Bentley, this is in for a full TVC front, TBC skin, full front end package. Then it's gone up to detailer bay to be finished off. Panamera, it's in for calipers. Again, got done elsewhere. Really bad, flaking, don't look good at all. So we're gonna make them perfect. A few more bits on that. We've got the Lotus, we've done a video on that the other day. So you can find that video somewhere. 71 plate Porsche Cayenne, had a big front ender. Should we go have a look at that? Don't show the plate. Don't show the plate, go around the front. With your new little camera and you don't know how to work the gimbal. Don't show me, show the thing, look.
Do you know how to?
No, I don't.
There we go, and I do.
So we got here, as you can see, the wing has hit hard, lights smashed, bumpers gone, wheels pushed back, doors damaged, all the curtain airbags have gone off inside. It's actually bent the chassis legs. So unfortunately, this 71 plate Cayenne, dead, in the bin. Would have been a lovely repair, but I think that's sitting at about £40,000 repair. Mum's here. Time do you call this? Huh?
Where we going?
What time do you call this?
I've been to the hospital.
Oh, your arm? Mum fell over on holiday and dislocated her arm, and she's making a meal of it.
I just went to get a skip.
She went to get a skip.
Oh, wow.
This is going on YouTube, by the way.
You dare.
No, it is.
Dare, Jake.
What do you want to skip for?
I'll have to cut this out now.
For some rubbish.
For what, here?
No, at home.
We're at work now, Mum. We can't be talking about home stuff.
Don't you dare.
And it's 22 minutes past 8. So we'll have a word later.
Do not put that anywhere.
There it is. I'm in charge of the YouTube, not you.
Absolutely go nuts.
No, you won't.
I won't put it
People
on.
love seeing you, Mum. Oh, Jake. I generally think she likes you more than me.
You, but I am way more scared of your mum, so she trumps that.
Right, let's get in the workshop and show. We could go in the backyard. There's loads of cars in that backyard, but there's a load of smashed up ones and there's nothing too fun. There is a new Porsche. Right, who should we annoy? Let's go see the painters. This is Adam and Winky. This is two of the longest standing members we have here.
Hi guys.
Adam, he's pretending to be in a good mood. He's been in a horrific mood since he's been here this morning because he's got a Hyundai in there.
That's your fault as well.
I didn't book that Hyundai in.
He's been in a bad mood ever since last week.
What we got in here then, boys? Is this a Volvo?
Yeah, nice Volvo.
Volvo. Winky's old, so he likes them sort of cars, doesn't he?
Winky's
Estates
like one
and
of
that.
them, like, action heroes that don't talk much, like Ryan Gosling.
Yeah.
He just cracks on, doesn't he? Cracks on, quiet.
Yeah, Winky's been here, what, 20 years, Winks? Longer?
22 years.
22 years. 22 years.
Whoa! I think that's your Rolex, isn't it?
Yeah. 20 years of service gold watch. You'll have that one instead.
This one.
I had that on. Yes, I had two on, didn't I?
Did you?
Yeah. Lewis had his hand in an engine, so I had to have his Rolex and I ran. That's Adam and Winky. Who else we got? Oh, look at her making a meal of it again, look. Now we would go in the mix room, but I posted a picture of that, or video of that on, where'd I post that? Instagram the other day, of it looking brand new. It was awesome. It don't look like that now, so we won't show that. Ollie, here is Ollie. He's again one of our long-standing members. He loves the camera, as you can tell. See you, mate. Lovely chat. Ollie's getting married very soon as well, so I think that's why he's a bit all over the show. He's got a lot of pressure coming up. If anyone knows him, you'll know why. That's the Hyundai with a horrific colour. He's now on it. Yeah. Range Rover in there now being prepped for primary. This is Briggsy. Unfortunately, Briggsy is now leaving the team. He thinks he's a mechanic, so he's going to be a mechanic. Obviously, we wish him well, but we have got a replacement. I can see him going redder as the minute go on, so we'll leave him before he breaks down. This is Jordan.
I think we should ask Jordan about why he keeps swapping between two different ones.
Yeah, Jordan's got a few women on the go. But the main woman does follow us. We can't say too much because she might dump him.
That's all right. I just sent him back up the wall.
All right, this is
Here he comes. Here he comes. This guy. This guy. He'll pretend to be moody now because he's on camera. But zoom in on the t-shirt. We knew you would. Bunter thought the grass was greener, but it wasn't. So he come back. Let's go see panel. It's Nelly. You see Nelly all the time. Are you guys on YouTube and Instagram?
Yeah, he was moaning to me the other day, he's never on it.
Oh, Nelly's always on it. I think Nelly's on it more than me. Nelly's on an R8. We've got loads going on with this. New exhaust system, coilovers, facelift in the front end. It's had all custom interior done, new wheels, spacers, put black PPF on the roof. There's loads going on, all new badges going on. So that's gonna be super loud, super. Here, wait, I gotta give him a lift.
We'll use this in the video.
Yeah. What do you want me to do? Oh my goodness! Where are we going? Cut that.
You're going to show everyone your calves? Look at his calves.
I can't.
Lift him up. Whoa!
Cramp. That heat shield goes on to the new one, doesn't it?
Yeah. He's not a nice person.
This is Ben. This is Prestige Ben. Ben now does all our Prestige cars here. Bunter did have that throne, but Ben and Bunter were best friends, but now me and Lewis are now adopted Ben. This is the Italian stallion over there. Look at him. What a beautiful man.
He was spotted at a car show the other night.
Yeah, beautiful man.
Yeah. He was in an East Bilney top.
All right, get him out. Never say that in there.
Don't even say that.
Yeah, don't put it on Smiler.
I'll beat that.
Smiler hates the camera. This is the... This is the G-Wagon. This is the G-Wagon which we done the video the other day on with the £2 rear reflector. All the wheels are now done. Dalpino's now putting the rear bumper on. And then it's having a new windscreen. That's going this afternoon.
Hello, Matthew.
Should we go in the office, see the... Actually, let's see Norm. We'll go see Muscles. This is Jason.
He made that
Damage assessor. Oh, he is here. Here's Norm. Norm gives a flex. People loved the muscle flex last time.
Did you see it?
He hates the camera. He's having a breakdown.
Jason, did you do your form? I just thought about that, by the way. You can't do that, because if Sam's got to go, you can't go as well.
Yeah, it's going to be a big old party in Wales again.
Look at
him, he's shut down. Okay, let's just show his certificates, because he don't like the camera. All his certificates up here. Meltdown.
Look.
Every qualification you can think of.
All the protein you need.
Yeah.
For abs and pecs.
Yeah, that is what you call gymming 6 times a week. Right, you out. Drew, we all know Drew. He's a lovely guy. So happy all the time. Drew, you ready to do that Volvo in a minute? Have you got the girls to call him? Here come Muscles again.
Oh. Yeah. Whoa.
Let's go back up. Should we hide and make him jump? Hello, Martin! Good work, mate. This guy, he's just done a monster job on the Range Rover in there. Unbelievable job. Better cut that.
Oh Jesus.
He done very, very well on that Volvo Range Rover.
Oh.
Right, let's go in the
Jesus
office.
Christ,
Let's quickly
Dad.
go in the office.
I'm not a stunt camera, that. Should be though.
Ah, that's awkward. So now in Drew's parts department. It's a bit of a mess in here. He's not very good at clearing up and keeping tidy.
Tires everywhere.
Yeah. We're now going to go through to Mum's office. This is where the magic happens. The money making machine. And this is the main reception. This is Sally.
Oh, hello.
We've got a post coming up to Sally. How long have you been here soon, Sally?
2 weeks, 20 years.
Wow.
Been there 2 weeks and 20 years.
In 20 years.
This is Soph, my sister. So not only do I get annoyed by Mum here, I have my sister here as well. So I'm
Who do you
fully
think got the
outnumbered.
looks?
The looks?
Yeah.
What'd you look over there for?
I don't know. I think you're a good looking chap, to be fair.
Thank you. Right, let's go back through here.
I saw that wink, Jake.
I didn't wink.
So guys, we've now come to the end of this video. If you've made it this far, thank you very much. Don't know how you made it here. It was so random, this video. But I hope it will give you a laugh and give you more of an insight of what's going on this week in the workshop. Please like, share, subscribe on all our social media pages, especially this video. Normally we're relatively serious, showing you processes of projects we've currently got on the go. But like I said, we'll switch this one up a little bit just to give you a bit more background on the daily life of the Bodycentre. Thank you guys, and we'll see you next time.